Ever wondered why some people radiate confidence while others struggle with self-doubt? It turns out that the secret lies in our everyday habits. In this video, we're going to uncover 10 surprising habits that might be destroying your self-confidence without you even realizing it. Welcome to Psychology Wisdom, your go-to channel for insights into human behavior and mental well-being. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so YouTube can recommend it to more viewers. Plus, stick around until the end for a special tip on instantly boosting your confidence that you won't want to miss. Now, let's dive into these confidence-destroying habits and learn how to overcome them. Before we begin, we'd like to know what habits you believe might be affecting your self-confidence. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Number 1. Neglecting your appearance. You already know the importance of good hygiene, as well as how important it is to take care of your health and appearance. It's crucial to remember that neglecting your appearance shows disrespect for yourself. Furthermore, if you don't feel satisfied with how you look, then your self-esteem is going to take a hit, especially when it comes to social situations. It may seem like a superficial point, but properly caring for your appearance can really go a long way toward building your self-confidence. Number 2. Obsessing over minor flaws. When you look in the mirror, are you quick to notice any minor flaws in your appearance? Do you get stuck on this flaw and magnify it in your mind until it feels like it's all you can see? If so, you need to stop. This practice is toxic for confidence. Even if you think you're just being honest with yourself, viewing your flaws with hyper-focus can cause you to despise what you see. When this happens, your attention shifts from admiring all of the things you love about yourself to constantly scrutinizing everything you think is wrong. This ritual of self-criticism leaves you feeling sad, inadequate, and ashamed. Not the best atmosphere for a confident mindset. Instead of obsessing over minor flaws, try putting that same energy into seeing the positive qualities in yourself. It may feel strange at first. After all, positivity is often hard-won when cynicism has become a habit. But as with any new habit worth developing, daily practice will transform how you feel about yourself. Number 3. Talking about your perceived weaknesses. There's a fine line between being self-deprecating and taking it too far. While self-deprecation is meant to show that you're a normal person who doesn't take yourself too seriously, it can, in some cases, come across as insecurity. Furthermore, if you constantly make negative comments about yourself, people will notice and either grow bored of hearing them or start thinking that maybe you're not as wonderful as you seem. If you must discuss a weakness in a professional context, like a job interview, frame it as an area for growth. It will show that while there are certain things you can improve on, there's a willingness and desire to learn new skills and excel in more areas than just those that come naturally. Number 4. Over-complimenting others. Over-complimenting others means telling them they're better than you. Overbuilding others and making yourself small will make you believe this narrative. Instead of repeating this cycle of over-complimenting others and demeaning yourself, take the time to appreciate your own gifts and talents. Remember that everyone has different strengths and weaknesses. In fact, if we are all alike, then none of us would stand out in the crowd. Each one of us has something special that makes us unique, so don't forget about your positive traits. Number 5. Believing your negative self-talk. If you're like most people, you likely experience negative thoughts about yourself from time to time. Unfortunately, it is much easier to believe the negative things we tell ourselves than the positive ones, and over time, This type of thinking only lowers your self-esteem and confidence, making it harder to believe in yourself and achieve your goals. While positive affirmations can help undo some of these thought patterns, even more helpful is learning how not to take your negative self-talk too seriously in the first place. It will allow for a more objective perspective on life, leading you down a path toward greater overall happiness and, consequently, more confidence. Number 6. Excessive apologizing. Do you ever find yourself saying, "I'm sorry," even when someone else bumps into you? While apologies can be powerful and important, being too polite or saying sorry all the time can actually hurt your confidence. Too much apologizing can make you seem insecure about your abilities and choices. Don't apologize for things you don't cause or don't regret. You blame yourself, making others think to blame you. Apologies should be given when they are called for, otherwise they lose their effectiveness and meaning. Number 7. Letting others make decisions for you. If you don't know what you want or think your opinions matter, you lose confidence. Confidence is built by expressing your desires in honest, empowering ways. This can only happen when you listen to yourself, trust yourself, and follow through on the things you want in life. When someone tells you what they think should happen or pressures you into doing something they want instead of considering your needs, or worse yet, tries to control or manipulate you, your confidence will suffer. Number 8. Lowering your standards. Lowering your standards in order to be okay with whatever happens means accepting less than what you deserve. Sure, lowering your standards will make things more comfortable or convenient for you. While it may seem easy now, it won't boost your confidence later. In fact, lowering your standards lowers your self-worth and causes more problems than it solves. It's also a slippery slope. Once you start doing it for one thing, it becomes easier to do it for others as well. We may not all hold the same values, and that's okay. Setting and adhering to standards will make you happier and more confident. Number 9. Maintaining toxic relationships. When it comes to being confident, the relationships you have in your life play a major role. That's because everyone around you influences the way you think and feel about yourself. The people who are closest to you, your family, friends, co-workers, and even acquaintances, all are impacted by your self-esteem. If those around you are constantly criticizing or belittling you, your confidence will diminish. So take a step back and consider whether your relationships are healthy for both parties involved, especially if your confidence has taken a hit as a result of being with these individuals. To be confident and assertive, surround yourself with positive people who care as much about your well-being as theirs. Number 10. Comparing yourself to others. We've all been there. You're caught up in your social media feed, and you start to notice that other people are reaching milestones faster than you. Maybe they have a nicer house, a better job, or they're happily married while you're struggling with dating. That these people have something you don't makes you jealous, insecure, and possibly frustrated. But wait, is it really as awful as it seems? Comparing yourself to others is normal human behavior. We're wired to notice differences and make judgments. But if left unchecked, this habit can be destructive to your confidence. It can leave you feeling envious or resentful of the accomplishments of others. Try instead to focus on what sets you apart in a positive way, and remind yourself that everyone's path is different, even if they look similar at first glance. These detrimental habits are all markers of low self-confidence. While some of them may seem harmless, they can cause considerable damage if ignored for long enough. The trick is to recognize these pitfalls when they happen. With practice, you'll be able to substitute a positive thought or behavior each time one of these negative habits pops up. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.